Welcome back. I really do not know what to play, so just gonna play some Project Sliders. Go, girl. Hold it. Oh, I can't spend any Robux. And I don't gain any money from likes or subscribers. So, I really don't care if you like or subscribe. I'm just gonna do some gameplay. Yay. And I'm gonna show you all the moves for wind. Also what they do. And how much damage they do for me per hit. Oh, didn't know your exhausted spawn. I didn't typhoon. Laggy. Like Jesus. As you can see by my clothing, I bought it from Butterfly Mansion. It cost 2,000 yen. This quest gives you 800 to 1,000 yen per. And as you can see, I have the double jump one, which is Cocho, which also gives you enhanced speed. I have over 100 demon horns, even though I need 240 to get the claws. And yes, I know that the claws can only be used by demons. That's why I made an alt account. The alt account's name is I'm_manlyman. Because it's true. I'm just kidding. Perfect dodge on Accidente. Of course, it takes about 10 years to use. My sword mastery is 98, wind mastery 97, the max mastery is 100. So I almost got both max. As you can see by all the moves, Dust Whirlwind, basically a forward attack. Basically it's good for M1 combos, and it's very good for air combos. Basically, air combos wind them down, Dust Whirlwind to get close, and then you're able to do it again. Maybe I did a Typhoon to stun. I did Typhoon has a long stun. Then you're able to, like, you know. Oh, and plus, if you notice the crow in my inventory, it's basically like it's basically like if you're a demon, a Muzan thing will appear in your inventory, and just But on the Crow, you have to like tap. You're able to customize it for about 600 Robux. But it's kind of a waste to customize. It doesn't provide any boosts. The fishing rod provides boosts. Is this for something new? Oh my god. What is it? 5 per M1. My alt does 8 per M1. Jesus, random lag. That's why I'm barely able to hear anything. And a blood user. Blood, basically almost infinite combos. And plus there's barely any art styles. Even though I'm not able to get an art style, I looked at a YouTube video. It showed that they only had like blood, reaper, arrow, and then something else. Then they had none. I also finished the final selection. And then it'll say a new quest is available. That's where you like me to get it out. Then basically type on it. Then type on quest. To defeat the enemy. And this is where you can change it. Give you I'm going to Obayawashi home. Oh, this was small. I'm dead. And I'm laggy in this server for some reason. You're an unwanted demon. And you're done. If you want to be a slayer, like me, and spend the same damage and good combos, demons are actually a problem though, because they're actually annoying. What? Lag is being annoying. Bruh. Of course. Lager? Jesus Christ! I'll for a health regen elixir. Which why lag? I've got nothing else to do. Oh, by the way, I'm level 55. You need to be like level 50 or something to actually have a chance at like getting all the quests done. Alright, so this is how fishing works. Basically like meditation. Or was it push-ups? Oh, dang it. Basically click to throw out the rod. Then basically wait. This can make you a lot of money. I'll show you how much it costs, which is not that much. You could just grind for the money. Then you could basically do this in your meantime if you have nothing to do. Oh. Wait, I forgot I was playing special. If you notice, I haven't been posting as much. Jesus. Probably because I lag in happening inside games like this. As you can see, if I move my phone back to I lag. If my phone bigger, it doesn't. That's why I don't like recording often until it's Okay, cool. So if you go over here and then go to this dude that has like orange hair, if you speak to him, not saying it was to sell this fish, but the thing right beside it is a fishing rod. 2,500 when I now have 9,000. And that's how you get the fishing rod. Goodbye.